Today I will be backtesting and explaining my trading strategy. First we want to look at the 4-hour to see if it is in a downtrend or uptrend. And in this case, it is an uptrend. Once we determine the 4-hour trend, we can go down to 1 hour, and if 1 hour has the same trend, we will go down to 5 minutes, if not we go to 15 minutes. Now we can see 1 hour is also in an uptrend, so we can go down to 5 minute. But first we have to mark out most recent liquidity sweep and draws of liquidity. As you can see, there is a sweep of the lows here. Now we can move on to marking out draws of liquidity. Not the best draws of liquidity, but it will do. Now we can find confluences and a break of structure, and we already have a break of structure to the upside. We also have a couple of fair value gaps here, so if they get hit, we can move on to 1 minute and look for confirmation. Now we are on 1 minute, and what we will be looking for is a break of structure to the upside. Even though we were already to the upside, it is best to see how market moves first. It may look like I waited too much, but now we will be entering longs. We also have an inverse fair value gap here. And it also looks like price reacted off of equilibrium. Just like that, we hit take profit. Now we do the same thing. Determine trend on 4 and 1 hour. Both 4 and 1 hour are in an uptrend. Now we can mark out draws of liquidity and most recent liquidity sweep on 1 hour. I will mark out the other one too. I don't know why I moved it. Now we go over to 5 minute again and find a break of structure and a confluence. We reacted off a fair value gap, then equilibrium. We also have an order block here. Low-key should have entered longs off the first fair value gap, but now it looks like price is reversing to the downside, and it also respected this bearish FVG. I am going to mark out draws of liquidity to the downside on the 1 hour. Time to enter shorts. Another take profit hit. Alright, I am gonna do one more trade. Both are in downtrends again. Now we mark out liquidity sweep and draws of liquidity. Now we mark out confluences and find break of structure. Let's see if this fair value gap gets respected. Alright, it did. Let's move to 1 minute for confirmation. We also have equilibrium, so that is very good. Since 1 hour draws of liquidity are way too high, we will target 5-minute highs. Dang, hit stop loss, but it's all good, we still won 2 trades. Hit take profit right after. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe, more coming soon.